Hello beauties, welcome to another exciting tutorial. Today's tutorial is on how I created this famous Edo Bridal hair called Okuku. So I started out by cutting out a bit of hair at the middle of her head. So this is where the horn will be attached to. Next, I'm cutting out a bit of hair from the beginning of her hairline, and now this hair that is going to be cut out, I'm going to weave it. So it's supposed to be a perfect round, so I'm going to weave it and attach the weave on to it. So I'm going to weave it and attach a weave on to it. The weave on is going to be 18 inch in length. Advisable to use 18-inch length weave on, not a 14 or anything longer, not because it's not possible to use them, but because 18 inches is just what is most appropriate to be used. So as you can see in this video, I'm plaiting the hair that has been cut out. Now if this is the first time here on this channel, you're very welcome. Here I teach everything beauty. I give you tips for your hair, for makeup, and for styling your gele. I would also encourage you to please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Be part of this beautiful family. Be part of what we do. Stick around. Trust me, you're going to learn something. Even though you are a beginner or you're a professional, trust me, there's something that you would be able to learn that would up your beauty game and your beauty skills. So as you can see now, I am adding weave on to the hair. Now what I'm adding is called a padding. This padding is made up of different lightweight attachments. You can create this yourself. To get a wig cap, stock it with different hair attachments. When you get the size that you desire, then you're done. Very easy. So I have sewn the padding to the hair, and now I'm covering it up with the weave on, and I'm tying it with a rubber band and securing it with a pin. So you just keep watch and see how this hairstyle is created. Trust me, it's actually very easy to make it. One thing you want to look out for is to ensure that the padding is not too weighty and it's not too big, and as you have that under control, you'll be good. Now that I'm done with this, I'm going to add the horn. Now this particular Okuku, I'm making it a 1 horn style. It ranges from 1 to 2 to 4 horn. It depends on what you want to create, but I'm going to be creating a 1 horn style. Now the remaining parts of the hair that is open, I'm going to be applying my gel, just ensuring that it slips. So now I'm sewing the horn to the hair. As you can see right now, I'm just going back and forth with it to ensure that it's firm and it stays secure. As soon as I'm done with that, I'm decorate the hair with the bead. So you can see I'm just taking the bead step by step. So the first bead that I took, I thread it behind with a thread and needle. You just want to ensure that it is firm. Now one of the major things you're doing at this stage is that you are ensuring that the beads are lapping one on the other. That's what you're ensuring that you are doing. It's part of what makes this hairstyle very beautiful. Now, if you follow this tutorial, you would get the technique on how to create this hair. Now, if you're still watching, thank you. Please stay to the end of this tutorial. We are almost done with it. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like, leave a comment, share, tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Tell me the part of this tutorial that brought clarity to you in creating the hairstyle. Have you created it before? What challenges did you experience, and what sight have you gained that will make the creation of this hair next time easy for you? As you can see, I'm just putting the beads, decorating it with the beads, and we're almost done with this hairstyle. Putting the beads, and the remaining parts of the beads I'm just putting it on that upper part of the hair, and voila, this is the end. We're done with this hairstyle. The tutorial on how I created this makeup is going to be up shortly, so just stick around so you see how the makeup was done. But for now, this is what the hair looks like. The various plaits were added, and this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.